If you are here watching this video right now, know that it is not by chance. Your guardian angels are whispering a crucial message directly to your heart. Your name has echoed in conversations, not because you were misunderstood, but because you are a force of nature, a soul radiant like a polished diamond. However, many cannot grasp the magnitude of your light, the profound positivity you radiate toward those who cross your path. It is as if you were an oasis of love and power in a world that often struggles to understand such greatness. Nevertheless, it is crucial that you understand your presence in this vast universe. The stars shine in alignment with your steps, and the angels and archangels stand by your side, even in the darkest moments. Amidst criticism and negativity, they raise protective barriers around you, strengthening your determination when you feel boundless. Even in moments of self-doubt, when doubt seems to cloud your mind, remember that your light shines brightly for those who have witnessed it, inspiring them with your dedication and unwavering strength. Despite the tricks and deceptions that may cross your path, know that you are not like the deceivers of this world. This heavenly message is not just a warning but a wise and compassionate compass, pointing the way to deeper self-knowledge and a fuller connection with your life purpose and spiritual journey. You on your journey have been exposed to the critical eyes of the world, whether in work, friendships, or your social circle. Not all the attention you've received has been a warm applause. Some have been suspicious, envious, or even critical. This message is a gentle reminder to be aware of words filled with hatred, envy, or jealousy, as they can create obstacles in your path. Recognizing and filtering out the negative energy that sometimes permeates your environment is vital to preserving your inner peace and continuing to move forward. Your gift of seeing beyond the obvious, while a blessing, can also be a challenge, as not everyone shares the same level of spiritual development. Some still allow themselves to be guided by fear, unable to comprehend the light you emanate. Therefore, be aware that while some embrace your presence with gratitude, others may feel uncomfortable or even threatened by your authenticity and wisdom. When it comes to sharing your energy and wisdom, it is crucial that you do so with discernment and sensitivity. Not everyone is ready to receive the love and healing you so generously offer. Some may resist change, healing, or the quest for inner harmony, and it is essential to respect that individual space. Offer your divine guidance only when asked, when you feel that your words can truly make a difference. Be prepared to accept that not everyone will understand or appreciate your presence and purpose. However, do not be discouraged by others' lack of understanding. Stay connected with those who vibrate in harmony with your essence, those who recognize and value the light you radiate. Be a generous and loving mentor to those seeking guidance, sharing your gifts with kindness and humility. But remember to set clear boundaries, allowing your intuition to distinguish between what is genuine and what is illusory. Your spiritual abilities are true gifts, but they must be used with care and awareness. Know that you are loved and protected by the universe, and that your mission to spread positivity and love creates a powerful current of beneficial energy for everyone around you. Let this message resonate in your soul, urging you to share even more love and light with the world, making it a brighter and more welcoming place for all. This message is not just words. It is a prayer that invokes divine love and celestial protection to envelop you in your moments of challenge and triumph. As you are permeated by this sacred energy, you will find the strength to recognize your intrinsic worth and embrace the unique gifts you carry within your essence. As you navigate the labyrinths of illusions and distortions of this world, this prayer will be your compass, guiding you through the shadows toward the light. To fully embrace this message and its blessing, I invite you to manifest your connection by typing 999 and sharing a positive comment. By doing this, you will not only be receiving this positive energy in your life, but also extending it to other viewers who may be in need of a boost of encouragement at this very moment. Be deeply grateful for the radiant light that emanates from within you, illuminating not just your path but also the path of those around you. Acknowledge the greatness of the journey you have chosen to walk, filled with highs and lows, challenges, and triumphs that shape your unique story. However, it is important to remember that everyone is at a different stage in their personal journey. Not everyone shares the same understanding, experience, or perspective on life. Therefore, it is essential to cultivate kindness and humility in all your interactions, recognizing and respecting the various paths that cross with yours. At the same time, it is crucial to stand firm in your deepest convictions and values. They serve as a solid foundation, providing the stability needed to face the challenges that arise in your path. It is through this firmness that you will find the inner strength to overcome obstacles, withstand adversities, and achieve your highest goals. Therefore, let this duality between gentleness and firmness be your compass, guiding you with wisdom and balance on your journey. May you radiate compassion and understanding while maintaining your integrity and authenticity with every step. In doing so, you will not only triumph over challenges, but also inspire others to follow the same example of determination and kindness. Did you know it is possible to have a vision of your soulmate? It could be someone you already know or someone who has yet to cross your path. Click the link in the description to get a portrait of your soulmate. At every moment, know that there is an invisible embrace from a universe enveloping you, a shield of love and protection that sustains you in challenging moments. You are a vital particle in this vast cosmos, and your generous choices trigger a cycle of benevolent energy that not only embraces you but also radiates to everyone around you. May these words not just be a melody to your ears but a profound echo that resonates with you, calming storms and renewing your hope. Never forget, even in moments of loneliness or uncertainty, that you are accompanied by a higher force, a presence that guides your steps with care and love. May these not be mere words but bright beacons that illuminate your path on the dark nights of life. Share this treasure with those you love, for in every heart touched, a spark of light is ignited, dispelling the darkness around. You are more than just a spectator on this journey. You are a force of nature, an agent of positive change. Let these words not be empty promises but invitations to action, invitations to spread love, hope, and compassion in a world that often finds itself in need of these precious treasures. Just as rain makes flowers bloom in the desert, may you, with your simple gestures, transform deserts of despair into gardens of hope. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.